Hi, this is Claire McDonald with Kultgen Ford and Lene Wood with Redefined Designs, here to give you a very quick inside tour of the largest showroom in Texas.
We've designed the space with you in mind. We wanted it to be a modern environment that you came in and you enjoyed. You got to see the latest and greatest models, and there's even a safe place for your kids to play.
When you're shopping, we're going to pull your car or truck inside out of the heat
Or cold.
And when we find the perfect one for you and your family, we're going to deliver it to you in our celebration bays and teach you how to use every feature.
I've designed this space for you. We want you to be really comfortable when you're learning about the new features in your new vehicle. And we've even thought about the youngest customers. We want them to have fun too, so we've developed a great kid corner for them to play in. Thank you for joining us for a tour of the largest showroom in Texas.
Just another way you can experience better at Kultgen Ford.